Welcome to this Gophermods video. I'm Case Perfuta, owner and founder of Gophermods. Today, I want to talk to you about available iPhone repair services across our 6 Minneapolis locations here in Minnesota. Gophermods was started in 2010, and we currently specialize in iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and cell phone repair services. We currently repair around 20,000 devices per year at our retail stores. We help not only individuals, but businesses and schools across the country. All iPhone repairs include a standard 1-year warranty, which covers any defects in the part we install or any issues with the labor while we service your iPhone. In addition to our standard 1-year warranty, we have additional damage protection plans available as well, starting at only $20 for most iPhones. Gophermods, we repair all iPhones from the original iPhone to the latest. Whether you have a cracked screen, a bad battery, maybe your phone's just not charging without wiggling it just right, or you have an issue with one of your buttons, chances are one of Gophermods' locations can repair that for you. No repair services at Gophermods require an appointment. You can simply walk into any one of our 6 Minneapolis locations across the cities. For a complete list of our stores, just look above and you'll see a link that says stores, or you can visit the link right here, gophermods.com/locations. In the event we're unable to repair your iPhone, starting in 2018, we started offering certified pre-owned iPhones. All our iPhones are backed with a 30-day warranty and as well include a free return period as well. So there's no restocking fees, activation fees, or any fees of any sort as long as the iPhone is in the original condition it was sold. You can bring it back or exchange it at any one of our 6 Minneapolis locations. For a complete list of all the devices available, you may send us an email or stop by one of our stores. Thanks for watching this video about iPhone repair services available at Gophermods. If you have any questions, you may send us an email through the form that should be located on this page. You can reach out to us on Facebook. We typically respond to most messages in a few hours, or you can stop by any one of the Gophermods locations near you. Thanks for visiting Gophermods, and we look forward to helping you with your iPhone, iPad, MacBook, or cell phone repair needs.